Good morning, folks, and welcome back, everyone, to, yes, I know, another reaction video. I actually said that I would be done for this season. But hey, I just woke up and I saw that An Abstract Illusion has released a new single. So, what do you want me to do? I mean, no choice, right? Back in 2022, they released Woe, maybe one of the best progressive metal records that I heard in the last decade, for sure. And yeah, they're back with a new record and with a new song and with a new music video. So, I mean, I have to do it, right? I'm expecting a lot of, again, atmospheric, proggy, death metal, even with some black metal elements in there. And I really hope that I'll manage to get these guys on the podcast. We were talking about this, just spoiling ahead here. We were talking about this for quite some time already. So, fingers crossed. And we are checking out No Dreams Beyond Empty Horizons today. And yeah, I highly suggest that you check out this band. These guys are amazing. They really know what they're doing. It's very musically accurate. It's very in detail and in-depth music what they do, and I really enjoy it. So without further ado, let's go with An Abstract Illusion and No Dreams Beyond Empty Horizons. Let's go. Acoustic intro. Okay. Never mind. Okay, that's a nice transition there. Ooh. The layers. Wow. What was that? Is he playing like a GOC guitar? If so, there's one there. Not the same level of musicianship, just saying. That looks like it. Wow. I got goosebumps. Tasty. Should be a Strandberg though, the guitar, so. They're so freaking clean and crisp. Oh, the harmonies, yeah. Damn, he angry. Oh yeah. There's just so much going on. But freaking crisp, you can really hear everything in its freaking glorious detail, so. This is insane. This is just insane. This is freaking insane. Relentlessly innovative. It sounds like nothing they've done before. That's what really strikes me here. Compared to WoW or the previous record, it's again something totally aside. Holy shit. Oh yeah, the soft ending. I was... This is insane. This is just insane. Again, what strikes me here most is the fact that compared to the previous two records, this sounds nothing like an Abstract Illusion has done before. Like, this is new Abstract Illusion. Wow. So probably by the time I'm releasing this, there will be some more infos about the record, hopefully, or in the near future, definitely, because with this thing just came out like yesterday by the time I'm recording this, so, or during the night basically. And yeah, I have no words basically, as you can tell. This is just such an amazing band. They really take the progressive genre to the next level. I was not expecting a record so soon, because nowadays, yeah, you have to like at least give a band like four years at least. But yeah, it's been 2022, so we're not that far off, and the record is definitely on the way, and this will blow my face off basically. I have to go through this song again several times. So many hidden details, so many freaking layers in there. So a lot to uncover, a lot to dive into. I really highly recommend you check out the previous record, WoW, before the new record comes out, because that was like one of the highlights for us back in 2022. Also, big thanks to the Metal Inspector, my good friend Daniel, who suggested this band, because I would have missed out. And these are probably like, these are new, not only newcomers, but these are like the new progressive underdogs, kind of they portray it so well, and they really know what they're doing. So yeah, check out this video, check out an Abstract Illusion, like and subscribe the usual, and this is definitely the last one before the summer break. So thank you very much for watching, and we see each other in September. Until then, cheers.